Hi, today we are going to see how to use if function in Google Sheets. First open your Google Sheets, then select the cells that you want to add the if function. Here you have to type equal sign and then you have to type if. Then first you have to type the logical expression, then the value if the logical expression return true, then you have to type value if the logical expression return false. I'm typing a value here. So basically I want to check that A2 cells is greater than 20 or not. If A2 is greater than 20, then it will type true, and if the A2 cells is less than 20, then it will type false. So let's check. After typing your expression and the value, click on enter. See, here is the false option. Now for checking all those values, I'll just select the B2 cell and drag it down. Now see, here it showing all the value of my if function. So this is how you can use if function in Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.